Hey guys, it's Amy here. Now I'm gonna tell you and explain to you the reversal trading strategy that I used to make $7,000 a few days ago. You will be able to apply this strategy immediately after watching this video, so watch to the end. As you already know, I've developed a trading robot with my team. I spent more than a year and more than $87,000 on its development and testing. My robot has brought me $16,000 of totally passive income in the last 2 weeks. Right now, follow the link in the description to my Telegram channel and write the word robot in private messages, and I will give you access to the robot absolutely free of charge. Start receiving a stable passive income from trading today and get the opportunity not to worry about drawdowns while learning. Follow the link in the description and start receiving a stable passive income. Now let's look at the reversal trading strategy. Okay, so the essence of the reversal strategy is that you need to find the high or low when the price starts to reverse. If you want to buy, then look for the low, that is the lowest point of the market, and then look for conditions for the opening of a long position. If you want to sell, it's the other way around. The strategy is quite simple to execute. All we need are support and resistance zones. These are called areas of interest. In this case, it is the area on the daily time frame that you can see on the screen. The candles on the chart are the support areas, meaning that the price moved sharply higher from here and then returned to this area. I'm waiting for the price to be in the middle of the highlighted area and look for reversal from there. Then I go to the 15-minute time frame. I've marked a zone of interest and wait for the price to get there. Okay, and now I switch to 1-minute time frame. I want to see a reversal setup, and it consists of a balanced area. As the price approaches this area, you should see a range, a side trend, in other words. Liquidity withdrawal on one side and then liquidity withdrawal on the other side. This means that the market has gathered liquidity from buyers and sellers. After that, I look for confirmation in the form of a market shift, a shift in the market structure. So far, it has not happened yet. Here, the low has been updated again. Nothing wrong with that, I'm still waiting for confirmation. And here the chart has touched the 0.5 area of interest. This means that the probability of growth in this case is very high. I'm waiting for the price to update the high I marked, the local high. And the price updates it. I placed a stop loss entry behind the next low. The target in this case was the high of the Asian range. You can see that the price has collected liquidity from the side trend that occurs during the Asian session in the upper right part of the screen. And this is where I placed my take profit. I'll show you how it looked in the terminal in a moment. So this was the first trade. The upward movement was true. The price action is proof of it. I've marked the range and set a limit for the update of the local low. You can see the low from which liquidity is removed for further movement. I set stop loss outside the range's lower boundary. In this trade, I also set a take profit at the Asian high as it was the main target. The Asian high is the maximum on the chart that was formed during the Asian session. This trade had a potential of 1 in 8. You can see what happened next on the screen. So there were 2 trades. This trade had a risk of 1% of the deposit. The potential was 3. So this trade brought 3% to my deposit, But in the second small trade I entered with a reduced risk of 0.5 of the deposit with a ratio of 1 to 8. I got plus 4% on the deposit. In a few hours, I made 7% of my deposit using the reversal strategy. You can see where my entries and exits were. The first trade made me $3,125 and the second trade made me $4,098. This is how the reversal strategy works. Now you've learned one of my favorite strategies. If you are a beginner and want to trade manually, you need to learn strategies. You will have to try tons of options and choose a few strategies that are right for you. When I started trading and didn't know many nuances, I tried different strategies. Some were risky, some were safer, but thanks to this, I found several strategies that are ideal for me. One of which I've told you about now, and which I will continue to tell you about in the next videos. The most important thing at the beginning of trading is to be able to cope with failures. My trading robot, which will provide you with a stable passive income, can help you with this. Right now, follow the link in the description, text me the word robot, and I will personally connect you to my robot for free. You will have a reliable safety cushion and no drawdowns during the learning period. Trading will not feel so painful. Here are the reviews of my subscribers who are already receiving a stable income with my robot. Follow the link in the description and get a stable passive income for many years. There are many more interesting videos waiting for you, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you've learned something new for yourself out of this video, then give me a thumbs up. And if you still have questions, ask them in the comments. I will answer them all. It was me, Amy. See you soon.